Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel English with Hassan 1, where we help you learn English smarter, faster, and with more confidence.
Rules of making verbs plus ing, especially action verbs. So the problem the students face is that when we tell them to make verb plus ing, they just add ing to the verb, which is not correct most of the time, because there are rules that you should know and practice and do. So let's see. So let's go to the rule number group 3. So rule group 3, verbs ending in a consonant. So the consonants are B, C, D, etc. to Z. So if we have a verb that ends with these letters and before it there is one vowel, we double the last consonant. Let's go to the second verb. Sit. So what is the last letter? It's T. Is T a vowel or a consonant? Of course it's a consonant. It's not a vowel. It's not A, it's not E, it's not I, it's not O, it's not U. So it's a consonant. And what do we have before T? We have I. It's a vowel, one vowel. And before I, what do we have? S. S also is a consonant. So we have before T one vowel. So we need to double the T. Sit, sitting, sitting. I hope that the rule is very clear. So when we have a verb that ends with one consonant and before it one vowel, we should double the last consonants. Sit, sitting, sitting. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.